Police in London, Ontario are going to hold a press conference this afternoon on a high-profile multi-year probe into allegations of sexual assault involving several players from Canada's 2018 World Junior Hockey Team. CTV National's Adrian Gobriel is live this morning from London with more. Adrian, so before the press conference gets underway, this case is going to be in the court. So let's kind of pick it up there.
Yeah, good morning, Nick. I'm outside of the London courthouse. Today's likely going to be a procedural day. First appearance, though we're not expecting any of the players to appear. Their representatives or legal representatives will likely be inside the courthouse this morning. We're going to hear if there's any publication ban involved in this case. We do know that this is a story of national interest, even international interest when it comes to sport and the scale of this investigation. We know that the players are going to be pleading not guilty. So we will see if anything else comes out of the courthouse today, but really a first step in what has been a years-long process and a years-long investigation.
Yeah, I mean, this dates back almost 6 years now, Adrian. So then coming up this afternoon, 2 o'clock, we're going to hear from London Police, but it's really going to be interesting to hear what police have to say because, you know, Adrian, some people may forget, London Police, in fact, investigated these sex assault allegations in 2018, but then closed the case in 2019 without any charges being filed. So a lot has clearly happened.
Yes, and they're going to be questioned about that today. What new evidence do police have that have led them to criminal charges now in 2024 versus back in 2018, 2019? You know, some of there's been reports that there was a group text message between the players during and before this alleged assault took place, and it has been reported that those group text messages weren't available to police, or police did not uncover them during their initial investigation. That is some new evidence, and we're hoping to hear more from police, though. One has to believe that they will be quite tight-lipped. They're not going to want to compromise their investigation. They've been taking their time with this investigation. They've been very careful. We've got multiple players, multiple allegations, and this is now a historical sexual assault investigation.
And of course, over the weekend, Adrian, we also heard from NHL Commissioner Gary Bettman talking about a 12-month investigation that the league has put on here. But again, none of that is going to be released until now the outcome of the proceedings in London today.
Yeah, that's right. The belief is that the NHL, doesn't want to compromise the legal proceedings, the police investigation. Speaking also with lawyers, they believe that the NHL is also protecting themselves. They don't want to end up in a lawsuit should they release something ahead of the legal proceedings and them be facing lawsuits from their players. We know that Gary Bettman was asked if any of the NHL players, 4 of the 5 currently play in the NHL. One, Alex Formadin, played for the Ottawa Senators. He's now been playing in the Swiss League. Gary Bettman was asked should they be suspended. He said he doesn't believe so at this time. He does also believe that some of their contracts are ending at the end of this season, and it's safe to assume they will not be playing this year.
Yeah, he said they're all going to be free agents. That's right. Okay, Adrian Gobriel from CTV National in London this morning. Adrian, appreciate this. We'll talk soon. Thank you.